Hello and welcome dear students in your own channel. So in the last video we did the question number 3rd of exercise 5.3. So now in this video we will start from 4th question. Okay, so please take out your rough notebook and with your pen. Okay, so let us quickly start our 4th question. So what is our 4th question? How many terms of AP? How many terms means n. You have to find the value of n of AP. 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give the sum equals to 636. तो हमें नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स निकालना है और सम हमें दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. सो हाउ मेनी टर्म्स ऑफ AP मस्ट बी टेकन टू गिव अ सम ऑफ 636. Okay, so what is A given to you? See, what is nth term? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What you want? N that you have to find. Sum दिया हुआ है a n you have to find. d you will find from here. A is equals to 9, d equals to 17 minus 9. What is this? 8. Okay, so therefore by formula sum of n terms equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n नहीं करेंगे because last term is not given to us. Okay, sum of n terms, sum is given to you 636 equals to n हमें निकालना है 2 into a 9 plus n we have to find, d we are given 8. Okay, we got 8. 2 को न्यूमरेटर में भेज दो, 636 into 2 कर लो, 6 to the 12 का 2 कैरी ओवर 1, 3 to the 6 and 1 7, 6 3 16, 6 to the 12. Okay, so equals to n into 9 to the 18 plus bracket open करो 8n minus 8. So 1272 equals to first inside the bracket 18 minus 8 10 plus 8n. So what will get? 1272 equals to 10n plus 8n square. 1272 को bring this side, so we can write 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 equals to 0. We can cancel out the whole equation by 2, so we will cancel it by 2. So what will do? 2 4s are 8, so it will become 4n square plus 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12 equals to 0. This equation we got. Now we have to find this the value of n. From here value of n. तो देखो value find by finding the what we want for quadratic equation by. We can find the solution by quadratic equation also. Completing the square also. हमारे पास quadratic formula भी था, तो we can use any of the things here. So let us use quadratic formula here. Okay, so we will find the value of this equation by quadratic formula. ठीक है, so that will become more easy. So splitting term I am not doing because the numbers will become too much lengthy then. Big number, large number. So what is the value of n minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. हम तो कहीं भी यूज कर सकते हैं इसे. Where the quadratic equation we have. So n equals to minus what is b plus 5. Plus 5 root of b is 5. 5 5s are 25 minus 4 into a is 4. C is minus 636. So minus 636 divided by 2 into a is 4. So n equals to minus 5 plus minus root 25 plus 4 4s are 16. 16 into 366. 636 into 16 will 6 is the 36, 18, 21, 6 is the 36, 38, 6 3 6 7 8 9 10 11 का 1 carry over 1 6 7 8 9 10 1 0. So 10176. Okay, whole divided by 4 2s are 8. Now we can solve this. Okay, so what will get? N equals to minus 5 plus minus 6 11 का 1 कैरी ओवर 1 7 8 9 10 का 0 कैरी ओवर 1 2 0 1 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 8 1 0 2 0 1. इसका स्क्वायर रूट कितना हो सकता है? पीछे 0 1 है तो पीछे 1 1 जा 1 होता है. 102, 9 9 जा 81, 10 10 जा 100, 10 10 जा 100 होता है तो 10 10 जा, तो 110 into 110 करके देखो. ठीक है, तो दिस विल कम same. Okay, so 101 is the square root of this. So n equals to -5 plus minus 101 divided by 8. So therefore n equals to -5, पहले x plus 5 plus sign and comma -5 minus 101 divided by 8. So from here 5 minus करो, इसमें से कितना बचा? 96. Yes, divided by 8. Here minus 106 divided by, तो ये तो हम नहीं लेंगे because this is negative, तो ये तो पहले ही रिमूव हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so this 8 से इसको डिवाइड करो. 8 1 जा 8, 1, 8 2 जा 16, 12, और इसको भी थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. 2 4 जा 8, 2 5 जा 10, 2 3 जा 6. So what we got the value of n. So we will write therefore n equals to 12 and minus 53 upon 4 as number of terms cannot be negative, therefore n equals to 12. So got your value of fourth question. So fourth question the value is 12. Okay, so now we will start our fifth question. Let us see what is our fifth question. The fifth question is, the first term of AP is 5. What is given to you? A. Okay, so you are given A. This is fifth question is 5 and the last term is 45. We can write L also, we can write A net term equals to 45 and the sum is 40. S is given 4. This is our fifth question, 400. Okay, so the first term of AP is 5, the last term is 45 and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. Okay, S is given to you, L दिया है तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगेगा? A plus L वाला. Okay, तो we will write by sum of n terms equals to n by 2 A plus L. Sum of n terms 400. क्या निकालना है? n. n by 2 what is given to A, L भी given है 45. 2 को यहाँ भेजो तो 800 हो गया. n into 45 plus 5 50. 50 को यहाँ भेज दो. So n is equals to 800 divided by 0 to 0. 5 is a 5, 5 6 is 30. So n is equals to 60. Okay. So now what we want? D. तो कौन सा फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे? A net term वाला. A net term equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. n net term क्या है? 45 equals to A is 5 plus n हमारे 16 minus 1 15 into D we will find. यहाँ 45 minus 5 40 equals to 15D. So therefore D is equals to 40 upon 15. 5 3 is a 15, 5 8 is a 40. So D is equals to 8 upon 3. Okay, so we got both the values. Okay, quickly let us start our sixth question. So what is our sixth question? Let us see. Sixth question is, the first and the last term of AP are. The first and the last term of AP are. Okay. The first and the last term of AP are 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? ठीक है? Question mark. These are given to us. ठीक है? So A n term दिया हुआ है. A plus n minus 1 into D से निकालेंगे तो हमारा n मिल जाएगा. n मिल जाएगा तो A plus L वाले फॉर्मूले से S निकालेंगे. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल राइट A n टर्म वाला, क्योंकि यही दिया हुआ है. सो A n टर्म इक्वल्स टू A plus n minus 1 into D. A n term 350 equals to 17 plus n minus 1 into D is 9. 17 को इधर लेके आओ, so 350 minus 17 equals to n minus 1 9, 10 minus 7 3, 9 को डिवाइड में ले आओ equals to n minus 1, so therefore 9 3 is 27, 6 बचा, 9 7 is 63, तो n is equals to 37 plus 1 which shows n is equals to 38. तो हमारा n तो निकल गया this one. Now we want s. So therefore sum of 38 terms equals to n by 2 a plus l वाला formula because we have given l. So therefore n तो हमारा निकल गया 38 upon 2 a 17 plus l 350. So what will get 19 7 6 3 367 multiplied by 19. So 367 multiplied by 19 you will do 9 7 the 63, 6 9 the 72, 72 plus 6 78, carry over 7 27, 27 plus 7 27 35 7 6 3, तो 3 से 14 15 का 5 carry over 1 6 12 2 carry 1 6 1 7 7 2 5 3. So this answer will come 6 9. This multiplication after this it will come 6 9 7 3. Okay, so 6 9 7 3 will come. Okay, you multiply it, then the answer will come 6 9 7 3. So this is your sixth question. Now let us quickly do the seventh question. Okay, multiply yourself. Okay, the question number 7th. Find the sum of first 22 terms. ये okay of an AB in which the D is given 7 and the 22nd term is A22 is 149. Okay, बस इसको वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. A22 is equals to A plus n minus 1 22 minus 1 into D. A22 की जगह what is the value 149 equals to A नहीं दिया है plus 21 into D is 7. So 149 minus इसको multiply करके 7 1 is 7 7 2 is 14 equals to A equals to 2. तो A2 आ गया. अब हम डायरेक्टली सम ऑफ 22 निकाल लेते हैं. n by 2 2A what is it plus n minus 1 and 22 minus 1 21 into D is 7 11 4 plus 147 yes 11 into अच्छा we have to add it 151 अब 11 से मल्टीप्लाई करो 516 1661. So the answer is 1661. Okay, so now let us do the 8th question. Okay, so what is our 8th question? You are doing your calculation, please be busy in doing your calculation. Do the calculation with me. Okay, so what is 8th question? Find the sum of 51 terms of an AP. ये S51. Find the sum 51 term of AP whose second term and third term are 14 and 18 respectively. ठीक है? Okay, so we have to find from here. Second term का मतलब A2 is equals to 14 दिया है तो A plus D is equals to 14. Equation number 1. Third term A plus 2D is equals to 18. बस यही है. सेकेंड टर्म अब इन दोनों को हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं. व्हाट कैंसिल आउट माइनस डी इज इक्वल्स टू -4. सो डी इज इक्वल्स टू 4 हो गया. ठीक है, डी की वैल्यू वी विल सब्स्टिट्यूट इन इक्वेशन 1. सो बाय फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 वी विल राइट फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 we have A plus D is equals to 14. So A plus 4 is equals to 4. A equals to 10. Okay, we got A is equals to 10. So now we can get the value of S51. Therefore sum of 51 terms is equals to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So n 51 by 2 2 into A 10 plus n 51 minus 1 50, d की value 4. So what will get 51 upon 2, 20 plus 54 the 200. So we will get 51 upon 2 into 220. So 510 into 11 we can write. So we can write 5 0 1 plus 0 1 5 1 1 6 5 6 1 0. Okay. So this is the value of our 8th question. Okay. So now 9th question we will start. What is the 9th question? See, 9th is very important question. Okay, very important. If the sum of 7 terms of an AP, is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of n terms. ये बहुत important question है, very important. Okay, so this is very important questions. You can see this question so many times in your sample papers, in board examination paper. Sum of 7 terms. So S7 is equals to 49. Sum of 7 terms n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 49. Here you will write by sum of n terms is equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. इस फॉर्मूले को हमने यहाँ यूज किया. ठीक है. सो विल यूज 7 अपॉन 2 को हम यहाँ भेज देते हैं. सो 7 इंटू 7 को भी यहाँ भेज देते हैं. सो फुल आई एम सेंडिंग हेयर. तो ये हो जाएगा 49 2 न्यूमरेटर में एंड 7 इन डिनोमिनेटर. तो यहाँ हो जाएगा 2a प्लस 6d. 7 7 से 49. So 2a plus 6d is equals to 14. Let me say this is equation number 1. अब ये 17th वाला ले लेते हैं. And S17 equals to 289. Same way, by using this formula you write here n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1, 17 minus 1 into d is equals to 289. अब इन दोनों को यहाँ भेज दो. 2a plus 16d equals to 289 into 2 divided by 17. ये हो जाएगा 17 1s are 17, 119, 17 7s are 119. So this will become 2a plus 16d is equals to 17 to the 34. Equation number 2. अब we have to solve equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2 को solve करना है. क्या find करना है? Sum of n terms. Remember this, we have to find the sum of n terms. Okay, down we have. So I am writing these two equations. 2a plus 6d is equals to 14 and 2a plus 16d equals to 34. Subtract, minus, this is equation 1, this is equation number 2. Minus, cancel out. Minus 10d equals to minus 20d is equals to 2. ठीक है. d की वैल्यू 2 आ गई. d की वैल्यू एक इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो. Substituting the value of d in equation 1. तो 2a plus 6d is equals to 14 होता है. तो d की जगह 2 रख दो. तो 2a plus 12 equals to 14. So 2a equals to 2, a equals to 1. ठीक है. So we got a और d की वैल्यू मिल गई. Now what we have to find? We have to find the sum of n terms. ठीक है. So what is therefore sum of n terms equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n we don't know. 2 into a की वैल्यू 1 है प्लस n हमें पता नहीं है. d की वैल्यू 2 है. ओके. सो n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2. Open the bracket. Okay. 2 से 2 cancel. So we'll get n upon 2 into 2n. 2 से 2 cancel. What is n square? ठीक है. तो sum of n terms is n square. Very important question, and please learn the what is the answer of this question, n square. Okay. So this should be learned to you. So this was our 9th question. Okay. So quickly let us do our 10th question, which will be last question of this video. Okay. So and this question you do very properly, 9th question, okay, because this is very important question. Again and again I am telling you. 10th question is, show that a1 a2 an up to so on form an AP where an term is defined as, जो an term है वो दिया है 3 + 4n, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है. तो हमें शो करना है कि AP बनाता है. तो सिंपल, अगर n की जगह 1 रखेंगे तो हमें फर्स्ट टर्म मिल जाएगा. तो पुट n = 1. So 3 + 4 × 1. So a1 = 3 + 4. So a1 = 7. अब a2 भी निकाल लो. Similarly, put n = 2. So n की जगह 2 रखो, equals to 3 + 4 × 2. So a2 = 3 + 8, 11. तो a2 11 आ गया. सेम वे a3 भी निकाल लो. Put n = 3. So a3 = 3 × 4 × 3. So 3 × 4 3 = 12. ठीक है. So this is plus sign, 3 + 15. ठीक है. So similarly up to so on. So therefore AP is, or series is, ठीक है, we will write series is. A1 कितना है 7, A2 कितना आया 11, A3 कितना आया 15, 4 ऐड करना है देखो तो 19, 23 up to so on. तो we'll write as common difference is same. अगर common difference अगर same है तो therefore it is in AP. तो ये इसका मतलब this general term form an AP. तो ये AP बना रहा है. ठीक है. तो हमें यही पूछा है क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में कि show that a and a term of this series form an AP. ठीक है. This is the first part. Now we can go to our second part and the last question of this video. So what is the second part? Second part is a and a term is equals to n minus 5n. हमें शो करना है कि ये AP बनाता है. Same way, you put the values. Put n is equals to 1. So a1 is equals to n minus 5 × 1. So n minus 5 4. ठीक है. Put n is equals to 2. So a2 is equals to 9 minus 5 × 2. 9 minus 10 minus 1. A3 is equals to 9 minus 5 × 3. 9 minus 15 minus 6. So therefore, similarly up to so on. Series is 4 minus 1 minus 6 and up to so on. Because common difference is कितना हो जाएगा -1 -4 -5. फिर इसमें -6 -1 -5. Common difference is same. Therefore 9 minus 5n form an AP. Okay. So this was your 10th question. So hope this is clear to you and hope you have enjoyed the video. So please do like and share the video and comment also. And till then, do the practice of these 10 questions. So next questions will start from next video, okay? Because the exercise is too lengthy, so we have to do in so many parts. Thank you very much. Keep on like and share the video. Keep on doing the practice. Bye bye.